Hey guys, it is Saturday still, and well, this video is not going up Saturday because I've just posted a video about my critical mass. But I've come downstairs and I've decided it's time to change the spark plugs in my intruder. So, me and my supervisor, say hi, are going to change the plugs in my 95 Intruder 1400. One thing to note before you start this journey, if you have an intruder, you only have two spark plugs, one on the left rear and one on the right front. Don't get roped into buying four plugs, because I know they were fucking laughing at me after I left the shop. And I immediately realized that I bought four spark plugs and I only needed two. But now I have two for next time, I guess. So whatever, they were $5 a piece. So I already changed one plug. I got the left rear cap off. I got that plug out. Got the plug back in. And I'll show you guys the old plug. And I'll show you guys another new plug that's not in for the other side yet. And then you guys can watch me take off the other side and stuff like that. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so here is my new plug. Just NGKR, nothing special. I think the ones that were in here might have been a little bit fancier. Some sort of drag special, but look at that. It has been a minute since they've been changed. So just for some comparison. So, as you guys know, the bike wouldn't start. I tried to fire it up in here for you. So, hoping, I guess the first place to start is to change the plugs and then try again. So that's my plan today. Come down here, and you can see I already have one side off. I have the plug wire back on, the new plug's in there. So easy peasy. There's just two 10mm bolts that hold this cover down. Cover looks just like this one. So very easy if you have all the tools. If anybody's ever touched anything with a motor before, you know your 10mm grow legs, and I could not find a close-end 10mm for the life of me. But eventually I found one, and now I'm on the other side on the last bolt. So let's go over there. So here we are. I already have this bolt already loose, and I have this one just cracked. And yes, we are watching classic Spider-Man. And yeah, right now there is a giant mutant sunflower. Alright, so we have both off. Now, as I said before, this is my first time changing spark plugs on my bike. I don't have the proper tools. I have a 16mm impact socket, which is relatively thin wall. And I have this guy right here, and that's what I'm going to use to take out this plug. So, alright, let's see if I can change this. Alright, so I've got a good grip on it. Relatively easy. I know it's a dark mess and you can't see. No, I can't see, but we have a success. There's another. Very shitty, burnt looking plug there. Alright, so let's get the other one in. Okay. So, first thing I'm going to do is try to very gently there we go. Just get started. I apologize for the lighting here, guys. Pretty much makes this video useless, but why not? There. On. Plug down on there. Wire's good and on. Alright guys, I will be back in a few minutes and we're gonna crank this thing over and fucking pray for some fire. Not house fire. Engine ignition. Alright guys, 2 fresh plugs in her. Got the old plugs out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these old plugs. Take the trash. Alright. Fingers crossed, boys.